Oh, hey guys, what's going on? So today, I've actually made this video for 3 reasons. The first reason is that I have a deleted scene from the Kemah vlog. I'm going to call it a deleted scene. In reality, I actually forgot to add it. So yeah, and the second reason that I'm making this video is because I found this really awesome point of view video that I shot on the Boardwalk Bullet. And this is actually on a separate trip with another one of my friends, Wade. So Wade, if you're watching this, shout out to you. And the third reason I'm making this video is because Avery actually requested that I make a PG version of this vlog so he can show it to his parents. Well, for obvious reasons. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the timestamps will actually be up here in this corner. And I've actually separated the little timeline down below into like different sections so you can easily find each clip. And yeah, hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one.
You poop on me, I'll poop on you back. Back up. Ah! Bro, kids. Kinda nice out here. Going to Bull in a minute.
That was fun, bro.
Texas check.
Ready, Wade? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Guys, we just did it. You can just post it.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, Avery. We got my boy, Ethan. Say what's up, Ethan.
Hey. Oh yeah, my channel will be in the description.
Yeah, his channel will be in the description because I'm cool like that. Mom, she's really cool. We had Kemah. Woo! Probably gonna get kicked out. See you later. Ethan, say hi.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Julian. Love you. It's tickets and I got hack a shot. I wish I had my dad. Julian. Yeah. Love you. Had to pay for this nerd's food. And this one's too.
Oh, thank you.
It's Dippin' Dots.
Bro.
What the hell? Here, you can hold it. Got my homies here. What's up?
Hi.
We have our brave soldier up there. Brave soldier. Ah, he goes to wear a nipple.
Love you, Ethan.
Brave soldier up there. Wave goodbye, Ethan. We'll miss you. Oh, Ethan.
Oh, Ethan.
Ethan, what a legend! Legend.
That was light work.
Yeah, I look at that. All right, what's your
stomach is
Ethan,
not light work.
No,
Ethan, what's your
like
reaction?
The Pharaoh ride made me more sick than this one. This one didn't make me sick at all. I'm actually not kidding.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
All right, what is your reaction?
Have some serious problems.
What is your reaction?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah?
It's like one of my favorite rides. Here besides the Olympus.
All right, awesome.
Kind of like
All right, y'all. Yeah, my dad left. Okay. Hey guys, so we just got off the Bullet. What was you?
That's like the
You like
fifth
it?
time.
You like it?
Yeah, the Bullet's
About
like,
to go to the Pharaoh next, and it's like
last time we went to the
something.
Pharaoh, I almost threw up and he almost like flew out of the seat.
Yeah, cause it's what I get for being skinny. So
I pulled you down.
yeah,
I had to pull you out of the
So
air.
we're gonna go to the Pharaoh, which is like over there, cause it's a small ride. You
So
can't
I
see
hope
it.
you fall out again.
What'd you think of the rocket ride thing?
Ooh, my stomach hurts.
All right, what about you?
It was so scary. Oh no.
So scary.
Boring.
We're gonna
That
go.
ride was boring.
We're gonna go eat some food,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna eat some food, and eat some more food.
Get some Advil. My head hurts.
Oh, they got the Russians. Ethan, give a kiss to the camera.
Whoa.
Kiss the
All
camera.
right.
Julian, kiss the camera.
What the heck?
Full homo. All right,
Wait a
so we're gonna go to Starbucks.
No, that was not full.
Get his
wait,
mom.
whoa.
Not full
we're gonna do this. See y'all.
Never stop running, you know that was coming. It's me on the dash and I keep it 100. Heat every summer and it's getting sunny. I'm killing this beat and this beat going dummy. Eating too good, I got a tummy. I'm stacking my Pringles, I'm stacking my money. I'm doing good now, out of my way, out of my face, out of my way.